Hello everyone, welcome to today's episode of the Daily Target series. So let's begin with today's target, and it is a burger. Like seriously, I think the editors were out of ideas, just like I am usually. So let's begin with star, background or backdrop filter, background. So this color is going to be the background. Now I'll use A, B and A, B, C. So now first comes A. Also I forgot to add here position fixed. So I'll now use the margin. The margin will be, I'll begin with obviously 100 as always, just a little lesser, 92, yeah, and from above it will be 42, yeah. Okay, so the height is perfect, it has to be 100 only. I'll take this to 150, 200, not 290, 200, yeah, and here 100. Now let's change the color, and the color will be this one, paste. And now we'll have to give, wait, okay, I gave the wrong color. The color has to be this one. I literally got confused that what happened. So now border radius, which will be, I think it has 100 as height, so 75 pixel. Space 75 pixel, then 25 pixel and 25 pixel. Almost perfect, just a little bit difference, maybe 70-30. And here's 30. I think we have to, I went in the wrong direction. 20 and here 80 and 80. Better. Now we'll refine it later on as we see the score, because that would make things a lot easier. So now we'll decrease the height to maybe around, how much could it be, like, I'll take it to 50. Okay, and now I'll give it a margin. So the margin will be 142 and 92, 152 maybe, yeah, and we'll decrease the height to maybe 40, or let's keep this for C. Instead of B, this will be C. The reason is because I want to make the lower one with B, for an obvious reason that the sizes would be quite similar. Height 40. Also we'll need to mess much lesser with things. So now I'll give a margin which is If it is 152, then I'll give 192 and 92. Why isn't it showing? Let's literally add this later on. So the height is 40. This is the margin. Okay, let's go a little bit back. So now we can change the border radius to just 50%. Wait, no. It has to become 20 pixel. Yeah, now it's correct. And the background will be this color. Paste. Now this is for the C. We'll do for B also. Now the height property will obviously belong to B. Paste. And the border radius is exclusive to it, so no worries. Now I'll give it a margin of 192 and what's the other one? 92. We have to take it down, so 202. Yeah. Now again we have to give a border radius, which will be, I think it would be an equivalent of it. So it was 80-20, so I'll try 30 pixel, not 20, 30 pixel and 10 pixel. Okay, I gave it in the wrong way. 10 seems to be correct. 30 and 30. Let's submit it now to see if there is some problem so we can solve it. .9% match. So the problem should be somewhere here only. 82, 81, 19. Like it needs to be more curved. Is it the same score? I didn't even notice when it wrote it. 2. Yeah, the score changed, which means we are on the right track. Not this way. 18 and 18. Yeah, it now seems quite better. I hope this is the correct one. Yeah, it is. Good. Now simply just remove all the spaces. So it was an easy one, I'd say. Although it took a lot of, I'd say, these border radius, but still it was worth it and it was fun. So our final score is 631.1. So that's it for today's video.